Homeowners and sellers, listen up. Okay? It's winter time. We are into winter. Like, we're here. We can't get away from it. And if you live in New Jersey, it's cold and we're expecting more snow soon. So here are my tips for homeowners and sellers for winterizing. Get yourself ready for this winter by winterizing. One of the first things that you're going to do is reverse your ceiling fans. So I didn't know this until I was a homeowner, but ceiling fans actually turn two different ways. One's for summer and one's for winter. One pulls air up and one pushes air down. Don't ask me which I forget. But I think it's actually push down for winter because heat rises. So you want to kind of push it down. Either way, reverse your ceiling fan because it's going to heat your home more efficiently and use less energy, right? Another thing you're going to want to do is fix any window leaks and cracks. Any way that your heat is escaping your home, you're going to want to take care of that. We have an old sliding glass window in our house, and I purchased they're not solar, but they're curtain panels that keep in the heat and keep out the cold. Do that. Sometimes if you have really old windows, you might have to put plastic on it. I used to do that, and then we got new windows. Thank goodness, because that was so much more efficient. You want to insulate any exposed pipes. That'll help your energy costs go down as well. And if you have anything exposed outside, like your air conditioner, if you have central air, you've got that big condenser thing that's outside. Yeah, I don't know, whatever. I know all the formal words, right? So anyway, you're going to want to either cover your air conditioner because it's not being used anymore. Cover it to protect it so it doesn't get snow and leaves and all that other grime and dirt inside of there. And it's going to help your AC last longer. Take care of it, right? You want to cover any bare floors because that's going to warm up your house as well. Area rugs are great and they're not that expensive. The more fancy you get, the more expensive it gets, but I'm not judging. Have your furnace inspected. This is a really good thing to do occasionally, especially if you're getting ready to sell. Make sure that you have your furnace and your AC inspected. Right now, because you're winterizing, you want to have your furnace inspected. But you can have it cleaned out and it will run tip-top and save you on energy costs. And the last thing that you want to do is trim back any trees that pose a risk. Snow is heavy, guys, especially in New Jersey. We get ice, we get snow, we get hail, we get sleet, we get all these different things, right? So they all sit on the branches and it poses a risk if these branches are above your house, because if the branch breaks, it might go into your living room and you don't want that. I don't want that. No, nobody wants to have to deal with, a big hole in the roof or window or siding or whatever. That's no fun. That's no fun, especially in the wintertime. And it's very expensive. So be proactive and trim back those branches and trees and stuff like that. And that's what I have for you today in this week's tip. That's it. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Bye.